So here's how I kind of use V1. I use it and show before and after, and that's a very powerful effect because people can't believe what they were doing first of all, but then I show it to them later on and I say, look at the change we made. So I've drawn some lines here. One's on his back here, the before's on the left, after's on the right, and you see how round his back here, very bad posture, body can't move very well from there. I've drawn another line over here after the change, his back's much straighter. He's actually able to move his body from here. From here, it's very tough, and he didn't realize that. He couldn't move very well, but now he has a chance now. I've drawn another line up the shaft, and I'm a lot about path and face. I want to fix the path of the golf club, and I want to fix the face of the golf club. So if we roll the one frame by frame on the left, you can see where this golf club goes at the beginning of his backswing. It moves very much to the inside or below that plane. It's going to be very, very much to the inside. And again, you can see almost no turn out of his back. And I'm showing this to him as we do it, and I'm showing him how lack of turn he has out of his back and chest because the club is going inside, but his posture wouldn't let him do it. As we keep moving going back to the top, you see a lot of lifting going on, and then on the way down, the only place he can go on the way down is way outside that plane, very much of an over-the-top move. Very much below the plane now. So he was having problems with distance problems, he was having problems with contact problems, he was having problems with ball flight patterns. So what I want to do is fix his posture. You see I got these sticks behind him here to help him understand where that club needs to go. So we roll the one on the right. On the way back, what you're going to see is the club doesn't go nearly as much inside. If we back this one up on the left, you can see on the way back it goes very much to the inside at the beginning. Okay? So the problem there on the way back was that he couldn't make a move, or he couldn't make a turn at all. Here you can see he's turned a lot more as we roll the one on the right more. Even though the club still comes from the outside, it's not anywhere near as much severe as it was before. Now, when I had him practicing those, I had him very much exaggerate those moves on the way down, and his body started moving better, and his impact, we keep on going here, on the right, his impact got a lot better, and the golf ball's now going pretty straight, kind of where he's aimed. The one on the left here went way left of where he's actually aimed. So for him to see that, and him to understand what I'm trying to get him to do, I give him about 2 or 3 things to work on: posture, working on the path, working on the face as well, and he can see before and after. So when he goes home and practices, he gets this on his text, on his email, and I like the text better because on the text, he can go to the range, watch that video for about a minute, make sure he knows what to work on. He can see before and after, knows how to use the sticks I've got here on the ground, and we're off and running now. He's going to actually be able to practice and work on his golf game and make a much better impact, a much better strike, and a much better ball flight.